In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert colors in Adobe Acrobat Reader. If you prefer reading light text on a dark background or you are trying to reduce eye strain during late-night sessions, Acrobat Reader lets you flip the on-screen colors without changing the original file. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat Reader on your computer. To reach the settings quickly, open the Preferences window. You can click the hamburger menu in the top left and choose Preferences. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. Or use the shortcut Ctrl-K on Windows or Command-F on a Mac. Any of these will take you to the same place. In the Preferences dialog, look to the left-hand list of categories and select Accessibility. This is where Adobe groups features that adjust how documents are displayed for easier reading. Next, enable color replacement. Check the box labeled Replace Document Colors. This tells Acrobat Reader to display documents using your chosen colors instead of the default ones in the PDF. Now choose how you want the colors to appear. For a classic inverted look, select Use High Contrast Colors. Then pick white text on black from the drop-down menu. This gives you light text on a dark background, which many people find easier on the eyes and better for glare reduction. If you'd like a different combination, choose Custom Color instead. Here you can set your own page background color and document text color. For example, a soft beige background with dark gray text can be gentler than pure black and white. Feel free to experiment until it feels comfortable, especially if you read for long periods. When you are happy with your selection, click OK to apply the changes. The new colors will take effect immediately for documents you view in Acrobat Reader. Keep in mind, this only affects how the PDF appears on your screen. It doesn't edit the file and it won't change how the document prints. You can keep this setting on all the time, or toggle it only for nighttime reading. Acrobat Reader remembers your choice across sessions, so the next time you open a PDF it will use the same colors until you change them. If the text feels too stark or too dim, revisit Custom Color to fine-tune the contrast and brightness to your liking. If you ever want to switch back, return to Preferences, open Accessibility, and uncheck Replace Document Colors or choose a different scheme. Also note that images, logos, and some annotations may not invert, since color replacement focuses mainly on text and background areas. That's it. Thanks for watching.